Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly wash your fruit off. I have some strawberries and blueberries, and we're also going to need some baking soda. First, you want to get 2 bowls of cold water. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to each. And all I'm going to do is give that a stir in there. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and add in my fruit to each bowl. Now guys, once you get your fruit into your bowls, all you want to do is let them sit for 15 minutes. And I'm just going to go back in and take a little bit more baking soda and sprinkle it on top of our fruit. And then make sure all the pesticides are cleaned from it. And all you do is just move it around a little bit in the water. Okay guys, remember, let it soak for 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes, so all I'm going to do is drain the water from the fruit, and I'm going to rinse the fruit off. Guys, for the bowl that the strawberries was in, I don't know if you can see this, but it's a lot of little stuff just floating around in it. Okay guys, once you drain the water, all you do is put like the blueberries back in to a fresh bowl of cold water, and all we're going to do is just rinse them off like this, move them around, and we're going to drain them, and I'm going to show you how to properly store them. I'm going to do the same for my strawberries. Now I'm just rinsing the strawberries. Okay guys, I have my Pyrex bowls. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and dump our fruit into them. And all we're going to do is just go ahead and place our lid on top. And they're ready to go in the fridge. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.